Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota Verso. In this video I'll show you how to unlock and lift up the hood. To unlock the hood, take a look under it. Right here we've got this lever. Pull it. And now take a look at the hood of the car. To lift up the bonnet, we have to pull the second lever, which is located right here. Push this lever upwards, and the bonnet is unlocked. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.